Hey guys, welcome back to part 2. Okay, so we have a funny story. We didn't mean to do this, but I picked yes for snow powder and glitter, and I added 3 teaspoons of snow powder, and she did too. So sorry guys about that. Apologies.
So now it's if we get gold or silver glitter.
This might end up into a part 3. So yeah.
Be ready.
Ready.
Oh, here. This one. Gold. Okay, not that bad. I don't know how it goes.
Hopefully I get gold.
I wanted you to get silver like that.
Give me the gold. I know that's gold. I know that's gold. You tried to take my gold.
How do you know I wasn't doing it with silver?
Because I know you.
Just choose one.
Sus.
Just choose it.
You got gold.
Oh, cool.
You got gold.
You said all gold when you wanted
I
gold.
kind of wanted silver. I'm not going to retry because I'm trying to save my retries.
No.
Oopsie.
Those don't look like right away.
I know, mine's like not adding glitter.
Mine's not adding glitter either. Ooh, wait, you can actually see the shine though. I'm going to add a little more glitter.
Oh. It's gonna be way too glittery.
Oopsie.
You throw that should have been said. I'm not too much gold if I get gold. Wait, how much?
I got way too much gold that it changed the color of the blue. Which blue? I know.
Okay,
Okay.
next thing's next. Is that seriously it?
It's either
Wait, I have an idea. We're gonna put all the stuff in the middle, everything.
oh, and you have to add whatever you get.
Yeah, we're going to be doing 2 rounds. Let me.
So you get
Hey,
two.
but go first.
What is it? I
Not too
want
nervous.
to try
Alright.
this.
You get to pick 2 things, right?
What is that?
Mhm.
What's
And
it?
if you get the softener deactivator, then that means that you have to deactivate it to leave it a little bit of sticky.